How to open YouTube Studio Desktop on mobile. Now, let's begin. Open a web browser on your mobile phone, such as Chrome or Safari. Next, search for YouTube Studio, or enter the YouTube Studio website address directly into the browser search bar. Once the website opens, it will normally display the mobile version of YouTube Studio. To access the desktop version, open your browser menu. If you're using Chrome, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. From there, select Desktop Site. After enabling this option, the page will refresh and load the desktop version automatically. You should now see the full YouTube Studio desktop interface, similar to what you would see on a computer. From here, you can use advanced features such as analytics, video management, comments, monetization settings, and more. And that's it. That's how you can open the desktop version of YouTube Studio on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.